Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Builder-Bear in Tprr Roblox. Start by reaching level 10 and unlocking Builder's Camp to access the quest giver. Complete the 3-step questline involving delivery runs, puzzle repairs, and a timed build challenge to trigger Builder-Bear's spawn. Coordinate with friends for the timed build and watch spawn windows closely. Stay patient, check daily events, and track spawn times to increase your success rate. First, mark spawn windows on your in-game calendar and set alarms for those times. Next, prepare tools. Bring a shovel and hammer to speed up deliveries and repairs during objectives. Then, recruit 2 friends to form a quick build team to finish the timed construction challenge faster. Repeat the quest daily if Builder-Bear does not appear, and prioritize efficiency over speed to avoid mistakes during the final timed phase. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and help you plan for more gaming time without stress. It pairs nicely with long farming sessions and budgeting for in-game purchases. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If Builder-Bear doesn't spawn, try relogging and returning to Builder's Camp after an hour to reset the event state. Communicate clearly with teammates using emotes and chat to assign roles during the final timed build so tasks don't overlap. Always keep extra materials in storage to prevent delays from gathering. Lastly, record your successful run or keep notes on spawn behavior to refine your strategy for the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.